Okay, so now I go back to this part of the lab here. This button here display push me. So what should we do so that this button display push me? Okay, you have to set property. Okay, set which property? So far, the property that we have learned is name property, text property, okay, back color property, visible, and so on. So actually, we should set the text property because the text is the text property is a text display on the control. Okay, so let me go to the lab. So for this button, okay, I want to set the property of this button. Okay, so do you remember the two steps? How to set property? Step 1, you select the control. Step 2, you go to the properties window, and then step 3, okay, you set a particular property. In this case, we are going to set the text property. Okay, so step 1, I do a single click, not double click. Okay, I do a single click to select the control. Step 2, go to properties window. So the properties window display all the properties available for this particular button, and I look for the text property and I set it to what? Okay, I set it to push me. Okay, so over here I type push me, enter. So immediately you will see this thing display here. And if I want to make the button bigger, you just need to set the button and then move the mouse at the corner here and resize it. And this button I want to display exit. So to set the property, step 1, I select the control. Step 2, go to the properties window. Step 3, look for the particular property, in this case, text property. I set it to exit, enter. Okay, and just now I forgot to set the font size. Okay, for this label, I need to set the font property to size 18. So same thing, step 1, select the property. Step 2, go to the properties window. Step 3, look for that particular property. In this case, is the font property. So you go to the font property. There is a plus sign here. Click on it. Okay. So the size here I want to set to 18. Okay. So once I hit 18, the label also become bigger. So I just do some fine tuning to adjust the position of all this control. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so how to save the project? You click on this save all. Okay, click on this one, and then you can tell that it's saved because at the lower corner here it displays items saved. Please do not click this one, it's wrong. Okay,